Hi, my name is Joni, holistic health teacher, coach, and consultant. My intention here is to share my work with anyone seeking guidance toward better whole health at this time, and to keep it fun. Our health is truly our wealth, and having fun is certainly a big part of that, right? So if you'd like to see more videos about improving your holistic health, be sure to subscribe down below. This next piece of the holistic health pie that we'll be enjoying today is the spiritual realm. This can mean many different things to many different people. On this channel, we're open to all walks of life, from our galaxy to others, so the spirit realm is whatever you deem it to be, whatever works for you. Some will have deep, specific spiritual practices, some will align with one particular religion, and some will look to nature and our life here on Earth for support and guidance. Whatever works for you, make tapping into that part of your daily practice. Weave it into your intention that you set for the day. Incorporate it into sitting still in meditation if that's what works for you. Rejoice in running or skiing through the trees that stand hundreds of feet high into the sky. Tap into it by placing the attention on your breath. Your spirituality is 100% yours to own. I appreciate your time and energy here. If you've received support, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel to better support anyone else in need at this time. If you'd like to book a session with me, please contact me via my website below. Thank you, and be well.